How does tire construction affect the likelihood of tire failure? Have you ever wondered why some tires fail while others hold up under pressure, especially in the fast-paced world of NASCAR racing? Tire construction plays a big role in determining how likely a tire is to fail. Let's break down the key factors that influence tire failure in NASCAR. First, the type of tire matters. NASCAR primarily uses two types: bias-ply and radial tires. Bias-ply tires have cords running diagonally, while radial tires have cords running perpendicular to the direction of travel. Radial tires generally provide better grip but can heat up more quickly and wear out faster. In the past, using radial tires in NASCAR led to failures due to heat buildup. However, advancements have made radial tires more reliable in race conditions. The choice of tire type impacts heat management and how the tire flexes under load, which directly affects the risk of failure. Next, let's talk about the internal components of the tire. A tire's structure includes steel belts that add strength and stability to the tread. It also has an inner liner that holds air pressure. Failures can occur when there is separation between the tread and the steel belts or defects in the inner liner. For instance, if there is an open splice in the inner liner, pressurized oxygen can degrade rubber components, leading to cracks and eventual separation. Such manufacturing defects or damage during use can speed up tire failure. Manufacturing quality is another critical factor. Issues such as improper bonding between layers or defects in the rubber compounds can weaken the tire. This makes it less able to handle the extreme stresses of racing, resulting in premature failure, even if the tire is relatively new and well-maintained. Additionally, how the tire interacts with race conditions plays a role. Factors like air pressure settings, suspension travel, and aerodynamic setup can affect the likelihood of tire failure. For example, NASCAR rules limit suspension travel, which may force teams to run lower tire pressures. This increases stress on the tire sidewalls, raising the risk of failure. Effective tire management, including monitoring air pressure and ensuring the car setup does not overstress the tires, is essential to minimize failure risk. In NASCAR, tire failure analysis helps teams and manufacturers understand how construction and race conditions combine to cause issues. This knowledge guides tire design improvements and informs pit stop strategies. Teams aim to change tires before failure becomes likely. The shift from bias-ply to radial tires, along with ongoing improvements in tire materials and construction, reflects the sport's focus on balancing performance with durability. This balance is key to reducing tire failures during races.